quick video of what I think car enthusiasts or just people in general should keep in their car. So first things first is a fire extinguisher. Guys, I've seen your wiring. It's sketchy. I'm just kidding, but no, for real. Even if it's a stock, unmodified car, always have a fire extinguisher. I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So just peace of mind, especially if you have a modified car, do any track events, long road trips, whatever, it's better to have it. So next thing, roadside kit, medical kit, basic stuff like that. Here you got water bottle, a emergency thermal blanket. This is some reflectors, gloves, jumper cables, rope, tape, med kit, poncho, safety vest, multi-tool, this thing that cuts seat belts in case you're stuck, and other things like that. I think that's a flashlight or a lighter. Yeah, this is a flashlight. This is cool, and it winds up, so it's always rechargeable and all that. Like that, so. Also, I definitely recommend, I have a bottle of water in here. I always have water on me, so I'm not too worried about that. But in case if you're ever stuck, you know, I get thirsty pretty easily, so have water. I would also suggest maybe getting some protein bars, if you're really dedicated, some MREs or whatever. Because quick little story, I know someone in Colorado, middle of the day coming back home from work, and they got hit with a huge blizzard, and because of that they shut the whole highway down. So this person was stuck on the highway for I think a little over 8-9 hours, and you don't want to be stuck there with nothing. Luckily, being in Colorado, he was prepared. He did have some extra clothes, a couple granola bars, and luckily a woman was going from car to car with water bottles, giving people water. So guys, again, just prepare. It's not that much extra, you know, room or weight of your total race car to put in your car, just to have it just in case. So, and like I said, I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So I have some granola bars, and I actually do have some MREs. So and some protein bars and things like that. So this is just real basic stuff you guys can just keep in your car. Definitely recommend it. Also, probably some extra tools wouldn't hurt. Just some basic stuff like, you know, pliers, 10 mil, stuff like that. So just always be prepared, guys. Just, you know, peace of mind, and you'll always be good to go. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Didn't even get to cross.